Level 4, Module 4, Uncovering the Lies. The human mind is a powerful storyteller, capable of weaving narratives that feel entirely real, even when they are not. When fear enters the equation, these stories can become even more convincing, shaping our perceptions and reactions. This phenomenon often leads us to accept certain limitations as unchangeable truths. In the context of coaching, understanding how these limiting beliefs take hold is essential. By exploring the ways our minds can deceive us, we begin to uncover the roots of self-imposed barriers and open the door to meaningful growth. In this video, the primary objective is to empower viewers to recognize and ethically address limiting beliefs. By understanding how these beliefs form and influence behavior, coaches can guide clients toward more constructive perspectives. The process emphasizes the need for accuracy in identifying these patterns, ensuring that interventions are both effective and respectful. Integrity remains at the core of coaching, fostering trust and lasting positive change. Through this approach, coaches can support genuine growth while upholding the highest ethical standards. Lies we tell ourselves often take the form of mental distortions, shaping how we perceive reality. These can include making assumptions without evidence, drawing broad conclusions from limited experiences, or believing we know what others are thinking, a process known as mind reading. Catastrophizing is another common distortion, where we imagine the worst possible outcomes. Over time, these patterns reinforce limiting beliefs, restricting our potential and influencing how we respond to challenges in daily life. Coaches can begin by observing clients' language and behaviors to spot signs of limiting beliefs. Next, they encourage clients to examine the evidence supporting these beliefs, asking questions that gently challenge their validity. By lightly exploring where these beliefs originated, such as past experiences or influential figures, coaches help clients gain insight without dwelling on the past. Finally, coaches guide clients in formulating more accurate and empowering replacement beliefs, fostering a mindset that supports growth and positive change. Imagine a coaching session where a client says, "I always fail." The coach listens carefully and asks the client to recall specific instances where they succeeded, highlighting moments that contradict this belief. By focusing on actual evidence, the coach helps the client see that always is an exaggeration. Together, they rephrase the belief to something more accurate, such as, "Sometimes I face setbacks, but I have also achieved success." This shift in language encourages a more balanced and empowering perspective. Take a moment to reflect on your own thoughts and identify one recurring limiting belief that often holds you back. This could be a thought like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail at new things." Now, challenge yourself to rewrite that belief into a statement that is more grounded and accurate, such as, "I am capable of learning and improving," or "Mistakes help me grow." By actively participating in this exercise, you can begin to shift your mindset and open up new possibilities for personal growth. In this section, we reviewed the main concepts and techniques discussed throughout the video, including foundational strategies for managing emotions and practical methods for building resilience. These tools are designed to help you better understand your responses and navigate challenging situations with greater confidence. Looking ahead, we'll be exploring the different types of fear and how they influence our thoughts and behaviors. Stay tuned as we break down these fear categories and offer insights into overcoming them.